Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my centerpiece idea by using this paper. First of all, let's cut the paper into different sizes. Rectangle or square shape are okay. Okay, different size. And then let's fold the paper to make the paper fan. I would like to fold the paper like this. You can skip this step. Okay, look, let's open so that we can got the line by fold the paper. You can skip the folding and direct make the fence like this. But if we fold the paper before we make the fan, we will got the line so that it will be much more easy. Okay, and then fold the paper like this. And then we can stick them together with some glue, but I like to use some double face tape. Okay, look like this. Look at this side and this face. If you want to hide this, you can apply the double face tape also. And then stick it. Like this. Okay. Look. So we can hide this part. Okay, and then we want the fan stem like this. So I will stick a hard cardboard on the bottom. Still, use the double face tape. Look, so then our fence could stand up itself. Okay, then I make several of this paper fan. And following, I will show you two ideas. The first idea, I will pick several of this fan to make a centerpiece for the maybe round table or small table. And the other idea, I will use all of these paper fans to make the centerpiece, maybe runner for long table. Okay, now let's go to the first idea. For the first idea, I will use the fans like this. And then take a flower foam and cut a cardboard. And then tie them together. Look, the idea is you can apply some hot glue to stick the cardboard and cardboard together. So the flower foam will be sturdy, hold on the table, will not fall down. Now let's insert our flowers and leaves. Use our saucepan like this. Okay, then let's check the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. Look at this. Very simple and easy to make and will not cost a lot. Put more fans here. No. I think 3 fans will be quite enough. Okay, then let's try some candle. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the candle. The effect will be much more pretty if we put it on darker environment. Let me put a branch of flower on the first fan. I suddenly got this idea, so I will stick it with the tape. Okay. How about that? Better? But anyway, let's try the other idea for a long table. Okay, first of all, let's put a runner. I just put a fabric, will be okay, on the table. Then put on our flower arrangement. Okay, and then I will put a branch of the flower. Stick with a tape will be okay. Then let's put on the candle. Okay, now let's check the effect. Look. It's very pretty. Much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. Look. Let's try it from the top. And in front of the table runner. If the table long enough, the come out will be much more beautiful. Look. From the side. Check it from the side. Look. Okay, now let's zoom in for every detail. Look. Very beautiful. My table is small. If you are using for a larger and longer table, the come out will be much more pretty. Look. And this idea will not cost a lot. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.